Hi, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Patrick and I'll be showing you a 2020 230 Outrage by Boston Whaler. As we start here at the back, you'll notice a Mercury 300 naturally aspirated V8. If you want to walk your way towards the transom, recessed boarding ladder, as well as stainless steel grab handles, rod holder, recessed freshwater washdown, live well, bait well here in the back with LED light. You're going to notice big, huge cooler storage, fish boxes with macerators, stainless steel details as toe grab bars for fishing so you can lean over, still maintain your balance. Here at the helm station, we'll have a prep station as well as a crudité table. But what's unique about this is the multiple positions this offers. So if you're out trolling and you want to come around, it also acts as a seat with a backrest. You can use these flip up bolsters to lean back on if you're driving the boat as well. And again, as you see, it's super easy. You'll notice the courtesy lights above, life jacket storage, pilot light, Mercury digital throttle. You'll have a Fusion stereo with JL audio speakers, Mercury smart craft gauges, Raymarine screen, as well as a VHF. As we come towards the midship, you can see the beautiful cabin space as well as the breaker panel, and that is a pump out head. Walk your way forward. You're going to notice cup holders. This boat is not currently equipped with cushions here at the bow, but it is a package that Whaler does offer, as well as aftermarket. You're going to have a great stainless steel windlass, as well as a remote and lock here. Beautiful 8-inch cleats on both sides, recessed into the boat. And underneath here, we will have cooler storage underneath this seat, as well as Loctite storage. Both of these storages on the bow are Loctite insulated with coolers. If you have any more questions or would like to see the boat in person, again, my name is Patrick, and you can reach me on my cell phone, which is 561-847-6675. Thank you.